Chapter 6 is secondary activities. Secondary activities which are related to the processing of raw material into valuable product. Secondary activities add values to the natural resources by transforming raw material into valuable products. In secondary activities, these are generally known as manufacturing industries. Manufacturing is the production of product for the use or sale using labor, machine, tools, chemical or biological processing or formulation, and is the essential of secondary industries. And the term refer to the range of human activities from handicraft to high tech, but is most commonly applied to the industrial design in which raw material obtained from primary industries are transformed into finished good on large scale, and such finished good may be sold to other manufacturer for the production of more complex products and distributed through the tertiary sector to the end user and the consumer. For example, uh, cotton balls is a primary product obtained from agriculture, and it has a limited use, but after it is transformed into yarn became more valuable and can be used in making clothes. Bauxite, for example, is a raw material can be converted into aluminium by processing in the industries. Iron ore, which is obtained from mineral mining sector, is a mineral and in industries converted into steel is more valuable. Sugarcane is also agriculture product, is a primary product, and by processing in the primary secondary sector in industries converted into sugar and valuable uses. Secondary sector Secondary activity therefore are concerned with the manufacturing, processing and construction industries. Manufacturing involve a full array of production from handicraft to molding iron and steel and stamping out plastic toys to assembling delicate computer component or space vehicle. Basically, in primitive societies in the ancient period, manufacturing means making by hands, but with the development of science and technology, this making by hand has been converted into making by machines. And manufacturing process are the step through which raw material are transformed into final products. The manufacturing process begins with the product design and material specification from which product is made. These materials are then modified through manufacturing process to become required part. Modern manufacturing includes all intermediate process required in the production and integration of product components. Some industries such as semiconductor and steel manufacture use the term fabrication instead. Manufacturing sector, which is closely related to engineering and industrial design and are nowadays became the part of modern large scale manufacturing. These are characterized by the following features: specialization of skills and methods of production. Second, machinization. Third, technology innovation. Fourth, organizational structure and stratification. And fifth is there is uneven distribution of industries. Specialization of skills and method of production involve as under the craft method factory used to produce only few pieces, and these pieces were used on order. And at that time, when industry involves in the early period, production of few pieces only, the cost was very high. But on other hand, in modern large scale in manufacturing, it involves production of product at large scales. With the help of standardized part of each worker performing only one task repeatedly, that is why there is specialization of skills and method of production has been developed in large scale manufacturing. Machinization refers to the use of gadgets which accomplish tasks. In modern large scale industries, machines are used for the manufacturing of product. Automation is the advanced stage of machinization. Automatic factories that feedback and closed loop computer control system where machines are developed to think have sprung up all over the world. Technology innovation is one of the important feature of modern large scale industries, as technology innovation through research and development strategy have become the important feature of modern manufacturing for the quality control to reduce waste and increased the efficiency, as well as it combat the pollution, it control the pollution. There is organizational structure and stratification. This you can understand with the help of this. Modern manufacturing is characterized by a complex machine technology. There is extreme specialization and division of labor for producing more goods with less efforts and low costs. There is vast capital investment. Large organizations are running large scale industries, and there is effective and efficient executive bureaucracy who is running the large scale industries. Again, manufacturing industry and manufacturing industry. Manufacturing literally means to make by hand. However, now it includes goods made by machines now. It is essentially a process which involves transforming raw material into finished good for sale in local or distant market. But nowadays, the meaning of manufacturing has been converted. Instead of manufacturing, we are using manufacturing industry, because in the early period, where the manufacturing includes the making by hand, but manufacturing industries use machines for the manufacturing, for the production of goods. Thank you.